I know girls love the style. Get a little money and they start wildin'. Get a little money and they go missing. Yeah, they so vicious. I find it hard to play games. She find it hard to date lanes. I find it hard to stay sane. This shit is hard.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can see from the title, today I'm doing an apple cider vinegar rinse on some locks. So the apple cider vinegar rinse is a hair detox, mostly used by dreadheads to clean the hair of any like impurities or anything. A lot of people who do this have like black locks, so I want to really see what it's doing. So we're gonna do them on some golden locks. And I'd rather say golden because I feel like blonde is for like white people.
Smoking funky things. I'm in my bag counting cash, so hoes bore me. I want the money and the music go touring. I want the bag on my lap, I'm money horny. Dollar signs in my eyes, green floor seats. I see the cash, so I strive. Fuck these hoes, fuck they lives. I wanna smoke, fuck the joke, this ain't no cracker jack. But you wanna fuck, I got a hit. Give that in your soon trick. I'm that blind head nigga doing Molly glow shit. I'm a stranger to the danger of a Xan. Might pop a perky, mix the lean and the gas. Fast, yeah, I'm going real fast. I'm the flash, write my name in your grass. I was tweaked first time, smoke that. Lean gave me kickstart, go back. Mama told me go hard on the back.
So right now I am just pouring in the baking soda, and the baking soda didn't dissolve when I stir it. And if it doesn't, that means your water is not warm enough. And so what I ended up doing was putting the apple cider vinegar in a microwave. Warm water penetrates better than cold water. So this is what his hair looks like. You could really see the lint in his hair because of the color, but this is what all dreads look like. And it comes from like sheets, using a towel to dry your hair, and other like everyday activities.
Yo, Rasta doing donuts on a bad street, eh? I be ballin' like a motherfucking athlete. My location on, so my girl gon' probably try me. But I'm running to the money, I ain't got the time to cheat. Run it up, just like a try me. I do not, and I never run, so don't at me. Shooters on my side, lonely, I'm happy. Can live without my guys, hope they all outlast me. Can live without my brothers, hope the Reaper take me first. On a phone call, but they put them in a hearse. I miss my nigga every day, don't gotta put them on a shirt. We used to post up every day, smoke that herb and play that dirt. I don't know why life ain't fair. I put my heart out to that bitch and she ain't even care. She said she down for me, but when I'm down, she ain't there. These days, why is real love so hard to find? I can't live without my guys, so when it go down, I'm slide. Always risk my life when my niggas wrong or right. Tell them we gon' be alright. Yo, Rasta doing donuts on a bad street, eh? I be ballin' like a motherfucking athlete. My location on, so my girl gon' probably try me. But I'm running to the money, I ain't got the time to cheat. Run it up, just like a try me. I do not, and I never run, so don't at me. Shooters on my side, lonely, I'm happy. Can live without my guys, hope they all outlast.
So after a while, I was not satisfied with how low the water was, or the mix was. So I ended up pouring all the ingredients back in again. So right now I'm just pouring in more apple cider vinegar.
Shooters on my side, lonely, I'm happy. Can live without my guys, hope they all outlast me. Can live without my brothers, hope the Reaper take me first. On a phone call, but they put them in a hearse. I miss my nigga every day, don't gotta put them on a shirt. We used to post up every day, smoke that herb and play that.
So this is what the water looks like after I had set him in there. I want to say it was like 20 minutes, and this is the water now. I don't know why I kept playing with it, but now I'm just going to wash his hair, and when I shampoo it, I'm going to, I know like people usually don't do this, but I am going to shampoo his ends and condition them. I really didn't focus on his roots for real, just because recently he had a retwist, so I really didn't have to do that, and I wasn't focused on the roots when I did the rinse.
Run it up, just like a try me. I do not, and I never run, so don't at me. Shooters on my side, lonely, I'm happy. Can live without my guys, hope they all outlast me.
So after I finished shampooing and conditioning his hair, I dried it with a t-shirt, which is, like I said, one thing that'll help you avoid lint. But this is what his hair ended up looking like afterwards. It really wasn't a big difference. So thank you for watching. The answer is no, it does not get rid of lint.